Welcome to the next video of how to create your free AvocaData white label brokerage account. We went over in the first few videos how you can create your own customer plans. Then we went over how you can create your own custom list to tie to your customer plans. And what we started to do in the last video was discuss editing the information on the website. We started doing that and we got a little complicated because that's who I am as a person. So I wanted to redo this in a little bit more digestible fashion. So we're going to start up here where we have links, homepage and pricing page video link. So what this is the ability to put a YouTube video link on the home page. So now your clients, possible customers or prospects, are able to instantly see what it is that you're offering without having to maybe get on the phone and ask questions that can be answered pretty easily. So I make a lot of videos. It helps a lot with sales, a lot. The less you have to explain over and over again is fantastic. It makes your day go a lot smoother. You can just send somebody a link and then answer questions after that. So I want to pick any of these videos. I'll pick this one. So I'm going to go, I don't like that video actually. It's a webinar. We'll pick this one. And obviously there's an ad. So boom, now we go here. There's also the ability to add a playlist. So on YouTube, obviously, you can create little playlists. So, I have a few. We'll just, we'll pick this one. Then nice and easily, we'll plop it in there and hit save. So now, when we refresh, the video has appeared. Obviously, I have to fix this. And then if I click my little help button right here, it brings me right to my playlist. So my clients or your clients are able to get a nice little directory and answer a lot of questions for themselves. And people do use this, and it saves a lot of time for you, being you're going to be running around taking care of a lot of other things. I'm also going to delete this, hit save, just to clean this up a bit. So now you have a cleaner up there now. Obviously this from the last video is still there, so I am going to remove quite a bit of this. So alright, so here we have all the original information without any of that fancy editing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go, I'm going to look at my old website actually, because I don't want to have to think too much on the fly. So we have our content here, and there's two ways to do it, and we're going to do it the simple way. So you can just plop the information in. I don't advise you just to, copy and paste my own website, but just for sake of this, we're going to go do it. And now let's go and hit save, and let's see how it's going to look. So we got our info right here, not clean, but I'm going to go back and take care of that later in another video. The next thing I see, I'm going to plop all this in, and typically what I would do on my own is I would go and throw each of these in the ChatGPT to reword everything the right way. There you go, we got more right here. Now we've got these little sections right here, which you'll see if you go down, is all over here. And then this is the final one on the bottom. So we'll go one by one. Right now you can't change those little icons. It hasn't been a priority as of July 19th, 2024, but we are growing, which means we're adding developers, so we'll be able to get a lot more of these various things done. Now let's go off and take a look at how we change this up a bit. So see, we're building a website, and maybe instead of having, Datatoleads, we'll be able to log into our own little account. And we'll just use this screenshot here. It's a nice little add-on. Again, you can do it however you want. This is just how I'm choosing to do it at this very moment. Notice this doesn't go anywhere yet. We are aware of that. So now we have our image that flipped over. So I'm gonna end this video and go make a next one. And the next one, I am going to get fancy with this in a organized way. You do not have to do this next piece. I'm only doing this because a lot of people ask on how they can customize however they want to, and this is a beginning way to do it. So this is part 5. We'll be making part 6 in the next couple of days. Again, subscribe below. You'll get all these updates. And this is a free white label. You can begin selling any of these data and leads instantly. You just need a domain and a merchant account to be able to take payments. Comment below any questions, anything you guys want us to go over, and I appreciate it.